Bangladesh is located at the north of the Bay of Bengal, with most parts adjacent to India. It is one of the most highly populated countries in the world. The country was part of the so-called Shambhu Dweep with its own magnificent history. In the past, Buddhism prospered in Bangladesh.
At the time of King Ashoka, Buddhism was a very popular religion over here. And there was a Gupta period, the Hindu period. Though the kings were Hindus, yet they used to patronize Buddhism. At that time, so many monasteries were constructed, so many statues erected.
Though the country is not Buddhist country, but still the people of this country, the government of this country, they of course declare that Paharpur is a Buddhist heritage and is the world civilization. So those archaeological sites also showing us, proving us that we have very strong root in this country about the Buddhist history.
Nowadays, only 0.7% of the population is Buddhist. Nevertheless, they are firm Buddhists, committed to regular practices such as morning and evening chanting, and the observance of the 8 precepts on the holy day during the rains retreat. The Bangladeshi Buddhists are also known to have always treated the Buddhist monks of the Lord Buddha with the highest regards.
In the morning, they observe precepts, take Panchashila before the Buddha statue in every house. If there is no statue, there is a Buddha photographs, pray there. And after praying, they take their breakfast and they go to work or reading. Again in the evening, the most Buddhists visit the Buddhist monasteries and they pray to the monks, pray the Buddha.
Buddhist family, actually we are get up early in the morning and all our they take fresh, and after the fresh we take prayer, all our family, and we want to teach our children to learn the Buddhist prayer, how to pray, and we also together pray for Buddha. After the evening we back our office. In the evening we all our family is together go to pray for Buddha.
So in every in Lent period, Pravarana, the most Buddhists take Upasata, 8 precepts, and they stay whole day in the monastery, even at night. Yes.
As when the Dhammakaya Foundation organized the Upasok Upasika Girl Ordination and Training Program at the Dharma Rajika Buddha Vihara from the 17th through the 22nd of June 2011. It sparked the interest of the people there. They were enthusiastic to learn more about true Buddhist culture. On the first day of the training, they had a chance to learn various aspects of Buddhist culture, such as how to sit or how to bow in order to show respect, and how to clean and organize. The trainees were greatly impressed and appreciated the knowledge they had learned. They had such great pride in being able to make a difference in Bangladesh.
ভগবান বুদ্ধের কন্যা শান্ত সুন্দর বস্ত্র দ্বারা আপনাদের শরীর আচ্ছাদিত দেখছি আমার চোখ আনন্দ শ্রুতে পূর্ণ আনন্দ আনন্দ
সাথে আমাদেরকে ডিসিপ্লিনও ইভেন শিখিয়েছে এবং আমাদের প্রতিদিনের কাজ কিভাবে আমাদের আসলে করতে হয় এটাও আমাদেরকে শিখিয়েছে, বাট যেটা আমরা কোনোদিন এর আগে করিনি। আমাদের এই জেনারেশনের ছেলেমেয়েরা আমরা স্টাডির পাশে ইভেন আমরা কখনো হয়তো বা আমাদের টয়লেট পরিষ্কার করিনি, বাট ওরা আমাদেরকে কিভাবে টয়লেট ক্লিন করতে হয় সেটা আমাদেরকে শিখিয়েছে, কিভাবে ডিসিপ্লিনের সাথে কিভাবে আমাদের লাইন করে বসতে হবে, আমাদের ভ্রান্তিদেরকে কিভাবে প্রণাম করতে হবে, কিভাবে বুদ্ধকে শ্রদ্ধা করতে হবে, আমাদের কাজে কর্মে করে যাব এবং আমাদের বাড়িতেও করে যাব, আমাদের মা বাবাদের সাথে ওনাদেরকেও শিখিয়ে যাব, ওনারাও যেন এই জিনিসটা করে যায়।
তো যে মেডিটেশন কোর্স এখানে হয়েছে, সুশৃঙ্খলতা, এই যে পর্য পরিষ্কার, যখন মোছামুছি হয়েছে, পায়খানা পরিষ্কার করা হয়েছে, ল্যাট্রিন ক্লিন করা হয়েছে, তো এটা তো বাহ্যিক পরিষ্কার হচ্ছে, সেই হিসাবে আমার মনটা কতটুকু পরিষ্কার হচ্ছে।
This training also provided the participants with the right knowledge of meditation, allowing many to attain the Dhammakaya and the bright crystal sphere within. The happiness that they found will help them realize the value of the Lord Buddha's teachings, which is worthy of preservation.
We are feeling very peace in our mind. এখানে আমরা বাংলাদেশের স্টুডেন্টরা এসেছিলাম অ্যাকচুয়ালি মেডিটেশন করার জন্য এবং আমরা আমাদের এখানে পেটের মধ্যে এটা সূর্যের মতো জ্বলজ্বল করছে, এটা আমরা আমাদের মাইন্ডের মধ্যে পিস আনছে যখন আমরা এটা ফিল করতে পারছি যে আমাদের
Then after that, well, means it became good. Then perfect. Then I saw Lord Buddha. Then sun. Means shiny Lord Buddha, means like a glass, very white. And behind that I saw a star, a shining star.
আপনাকে মহা উপাসিকা হিসেবে গণ্য করে, এতো আপনাকে মহা উপাসিকা হিসেবে গণ্য করে। কি সুন্দর, কি কমনীয়, কি সুন্দর।
We are all Bangladeshi people too much happy this program. We think in our next life we will success and so forth. In Lord Buddha, this sunshine in this. Actually, minorly we have feel this on this meditations. So we want next generation and next time we will follow this meditation in every day and with my family and my all Buddhist community.
So we are very much proud to introduce our family for today meditation and hope so that future we will do more meditation organized by the Dharmakaya Foundation, and I think this program is the very good symbol for Bangladeshi Buddhism, and I think with this program Buddhism will be day by day develop in our country.
In addition, all participants had a chance to offer alms to the monks. This alms offering ceremony, which was organized for the first time in Dhaka, brought the people great joy.
আলোকিত হবে আনন্দ আনন্দ আনন্দ
You know, in Bangladesh, as a Muslim country, they don't have the very chance to offer the Buddhist monk, especially foreign Buddhist monk. So we are very happy that today we can offer with whole family to the dana to Buddhist monk, as well as local monk, as well as international monk, which is come from the Thailand, DFK.
ভান্তেদেরকে আমরা অনেক পূজনীয় শ্রদ্ধনীয় মানুষ, আমরা তাদেরকে আজকে যেই আমরা এখানে আসছি বাংলাদেশের বুদ্ধদের যেন আরও উপকার হয়, আরও কিছু জানার জন্য থাকে, বৌদ্ধ ধর্ম দীর্ঘায়ুত্ব হয়, এই কামনাই করছি, শুভ কামনা করে শেষ করছি।
Finally, the sacred moment of joy had arrived. The time had arrived for the Ubasok and Ubasika to receive the holy sashes, to signify that they are ready to preserve the Buddhist religion, so that it remains in the Bengal lands forevermore.
I will definitely thanks to the Dhammakaya Foundation that they have arranged, and without their assistance we could not perhaps do it, and I hope and that in future also they will continue to provide the assistance.
My feeling is I can't explain. I am so cheerful in my mind. I am so happy to see this type of organization is organized in the auditorium and the people here. And I hope this will continue for long time, for whole time, to teach this next generation, and they will continue the meditation for peace of the world, peace of the life. Thank you.
I appreciate very much to the team members, to the total entourage that came over from Bangkok, and we believe that the process, the method, the training that imparted to us would create a positive impact to culture, to propagate the Dhamma. And Dhamma will get a real shape through these training courses. This is my belief and the belief of the all people that the people attended, the Upashak Upashika attended the training courses.
We are very happy that today we are organizing the meditation center sponsored by your Dharmakaya Foundation. We are very happy that we wishing you good health and long life, because through Dharmakaya Buddhist people can meditate, real meditation for the Buddhism, and I think through this meditation Buddhism will go up day by day. So I am requesting to you to organize Dharmakaya, the organized meditation center in Bangladesh every year.
Tonight, many candles were illuminated in homage of the Lord Buddha, eliminating the darkness of ignorance from this country. It signifies that the Lord Buddha's teachings will be practiced and passed on to the next generation, just as the sun promises peace and happiness to all beings in Bangladesh.
Sabrama